Okay, here we go. Day one of the All Four Corners, All Rare Read Chapter 7 Wonders of the World tour. We started off in San Ysidro that day. Early in the morning, went down there, took the picture. San Ysidro was the closest southest westest point of the United States, Mexican border, pretty much. From there, we went to the Mother Chapter. From the Mother Chapter, we went to, I think that's IE, Inland Empire. And then we went to another chapter somewhere out near the desert. Then we went to Las Vegas. From Las Vegas, we went to the Hoover Dam. Took a picture over there, one of the wonders of the world they want to do. From the Hoover Dam, we flew down to Phoenix. Phoenix has a nice clubhouse. I'm telling you, if you're riding with people with confidence between here and here, man, I was like, where the gas station at? But our leader, he know where everything is. I was about to say, hey, raise my hand, hey, poof, gas station showed up. I'm like, my goodness, he must have weighed something. I don't know. My Harley map did not show a gas station, but it showed up, and so, like I said, that's one for the man. He's in charge. So that's day one. Here we go. Y'all see my brother, that you right there with the blue tape?
No, I think that Mr. Nate.
They clowned me when I did that to my bike. And I know why it's like that, because you're going to get chipped up to death.
Yeah.
I had to repaint the whole front of my bike after that last year when I rode.
I'm doing mine tonight.
See, I left my road. I'm doing okay. I'm up there in my bike.
I seen you.
Okay.
Yeah, I watched you the other day. I said, so where are you going? Then I seen when I looked at the address, I said, oh shit, we meet at the same place.
Oh yeah. You okay with being on the camera, brother? I want to kill you. Don't nobody who don't want to be on the camera now.
We all good on the tip.
Hey y'all, I'm gonna put it out there, y'all. I've been invited to do some epic shit, man. Man, who we riding with? Tell the world who we riding with today, Stace.
Oh, you know who you riding with.
You see what it's rare breed or nothing. So the question is, where are we going? That's what everybody want to know when they see me ride. What's the game plan here? Tell me something.
Man, we just ride, man. We gonna do the four corners. 48 the states, all the states. All chapter run.
All chapter run.
Yeah, all in one wop.
All in one wop.
15,000.
15,000 miles, y'all. 15,000 miles. Four corners. All rare breed chapters along the way. And so I was lucky enough to be invited to come along. My man Stacey reached out and said, Rob, you can come on with us, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to see how you get down and see if you can hang. So
Can't tap out.
I can't tap out now. I got too much money and time invested in this. So we got to see where this goes. So I'm just letting y'all see the group of people I'm riding with here. And I assume it's going to get more people with it. And so, you know,
830.
y'all claim all the blue tape.
Clean him out after 18.
Blue tape is there.
18 more.
In full effect.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
My station is actually Bonita, so when you said you were here, I go, he's right by us.
Hey y'all, I'm out here, and where we at today?
We're Bonita.
We're in Bonita, which is in Chula Vista, Southern California. Ran to a young lady here, and she said, Rob, you got them flash drives? I said, well, yes, I do. So she came on through, said, I'm from the Bay, but I work out here. I'm like, hey. So we took care of her. She gonna have some recent updated music so she can bump out. And she on my man John hooked up. Like, what did you told me? You said, if you up in the Bay, who does the music?
Either you or White Boy John. It's the only two.
Hey, there you go.
Only two.
That was not a product placement, none of that. That was her on her own. She said that. No coercion. Hey, there it is. That's all I got to say. Money Scar Stereo, we out of here. Okay, and the picture here on your far right, that's PJ Ground Pounder. Follow him on YouTube. A lot of good information he puts out there, how to ride. This man is the leader of the pack. He is the person in charge in the front, telling us where to go, how to go. He knows everything. Trust me. Standing to the left of him, that's Mr. Nate, OG founder. He knows a lot of stuff. These are the main two people in the front. Next to him is my man from the IE chapter, whose name I cannot remember. Great person. So every time I go to the Valley, I run into him. We always have a good talk. To the left of him is Amp. He's a former president. I don't know what chapter, but he's a good people's too. On the previous screen, we had Guilty. My man Stace, he's the road captain. My other guy from Detroit, that's Detroit G. I think that's his name. But these are some of the key players, and as I see people, I will put them out there who they are. Again, Mr. PJ Ground Pounder, oh man, he is a variety, man. And Mr. Nate, man, OG go fast. I'll tell y'all about that later. Yeah, that's it for now.
IE 3.
3, that's 9.
And then you got 2 from Arizona.
2 from Arizona, 10 is 11.
11, I'm sorry.
Okay.
And one passenger.
Gorilla Blue on the way. Gorilla Blue makes 12.
Yeah, but it won't count on the what you call it.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Different dog out.
Yeah. Okay.
So
And then gas close now we have 1, 2, 3, it'll be 4, 5. 5 gas.
Okay.
So we're gonna I'm gonna have them in front of me.
Huh?
17.
Put them in front of me.
11 and 6, right? Did I say that?
Yeah, 17.
Guess to get up in front till we long we have Bird in the back.
Okay, for sure.
5 of them.
Whoever the last man, y'all get in, and then I'll be back there behind y'all.
All right, for sure.
We go 1 in the front, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back.
I'll be in the back.
I'll be in the middle. But I think as we get on the road, we'll kind of figure it out and feel it. And then from here, when we get on that way, we're picking up 2 and 1. So that's 3. Now that'll put us in the 18, 19 members that are valid.
Work itself out.
Yeah, but you put those spurs in, you hold your hard every now and then.
Right now we're at 11.
Something kick it up.
13, 14.
So, question, PJ.
Oh, I gotta go
How
gas
far
up.
are we
I'm
going
gonna
on gas?
put my shit up,
What's
gas
going to be the common denominator? 150, 120, 200? What? What you thinking?
We're going to go over
See what it say.
150, but
175.
I'll figure it out like after the first gas stop.
Yeah, we ain't
Because
who
we're going to
burning
dial
what?
it in. I got to go get gas.
See who burn? Yeah, I'm put my
Yeah.
stuff up and go get gas.
Because, you know, when we was riding old bikes, it was 100 miles. With a new bike, we can go 167, 180,
Yeah,
200.
yeah.
If you keep it at 80, I noticed, if I keep it at 80, I'm right below 3,000 RPM, I'm getting most effective. If I'm pushing 95, 85, I'm burning more.
And depending on altitude.
Yeah.
But we'll figure it all out. We're just going to go by who burning the most.
Where they going to get a burrito?
And then that's what we're going to do.
We're gonna go that by first.
Yeah, okay.
I'll put my stuff up and then go over there. two of them actually. There's one right there.
This is one of the beginning of the run. San Ysidro, the first corner of the United States.
Okay, y'all. Hey, y'all gotta come on this side.
Yo, up and on.
Oh, we can get both sides?
Hey, you want me to take the picture?
Oh, thank you. Yes.
Nah, I'm going to one side.
We might need to turn our lights on, huh, Mr. Nate? Where your bike, Stace? You back there?
Yeah.
You got the flash on?
Now you got the flash on. It'd be cool.
You think so?
Let's try it.
No, I think so.
Use both sides.
Yeah.
Is it one side or both sides?
Yeah, I'm gonna turn mine. They help a little bit. Hey, but you can see it. You can see everybody.
Yeah, it's flashing. Hey. You gonna get both sides or one side? Still there. Fuck it, let's go all over here.
Okay.
Let's go on that side. Get out of this motherfucker. We can be all day. Over here.
Yeah, we get all in the bushes.
Make sure you get that back up.
Yeah, he might get us to know where he at.
There you go.
All right, y'all. You good? No, you good?
Sure. Get in front of me?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, on three. One, two.
They flash, did it?
No couple up now.
Yep. Yeah, because they got to be good.
Alright, I'm still taking it.
Don't fuck this one up. It's going to be a long road for you. Yeah, you might lose your invite.
No, fuck this up. They don't want to talk about me. Let's go.
Right here. Money. Change.
Alright, I'm gonna take some
Get
more,
over there, AP. You high.
I ain't AP.
I mean, Big Al. I'm sorry. You high.
Alright.
You got it good?
Yeah, I took
Because
like
this
10.
has got to be verified.
It's cold. I mean, your flash
You gonna take one?
I know. Let's see. What it look like,
Everybody got
Walt?
one with a
I
flash?
got everybody but them two.
Oh, no.
That's the most
Hey,
important
y'all,
guy.
over here, man. What y'all doing?
Come around this way.
Come around.
Do it again.
It's all got to be solid, man. See, I got to watch man.
But what about your flash? I know.
How
did pictures come out?
Hey, y'all are trifecta crew. Come on now.
Over here.
Hey, y'all doing some shit everybody in the United States ain't doing.
Alright.
Then there's nobody doing it.
1, 2. Take some more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, last one.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep. They right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You can see how clear it's on there. It's good. It's good.
Oh, you can.
Here now.
Get in front of me?
Yep.
Alright, on 3. 1, 2. They flash, did it?
No couple up now.
Yep. Yeah, because they got to be good.
Alright, I'm still taking it.
Don't fuck this one up. It's going to be a long road for you. Yeah, you might lose your invite.
No, fuck this up. They don't want to talk about me. Let's go.
Right here.
Alright, I'm gonna take some
Get
more.
over there, AP. You hot.
First stop, Inland Empire. Gotta keep it moving. That's right. I.E. Bread.
Oh, okay.
You see, we got all that to go. So, LA.